Hello, my name is Sierra and I live out of a van, and I forgot to film an intro for this video, so this is the best that I got. So let's just jump into the video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my vegan quesadillas. This is a zero waste recipe because I did have some trash left over, but I was mindful while I was shopping, and that's what's important. So yes, if you're interested in how I make it, just keep watching. The first thing that I do is peel a sweet potato. I use one for 2 quesadillas, and then I chop it up into tiny little pieces like this. And then I go ahead and use these seasonings to season the water. It's garlic powder, black pepper, garlic salt, and Himalayan salt. And I just go ahead, well, this is Juan doing this part, but he's turning on the little propane stove that we have in our van and heating up the water, and then he's tossing the spices into the water. Sometimes I don't know, I think that depending on the item, that it tastes better when you season the salt, when you season the water versus when you season the item itself. Sometimes we do the water, sometimes we do the item itself, sometimes we do both. But then I toss them in the water and you just let them soak, and when they're done, you can poke a hole through it with your fork like that, nice and easy, and that means that they're done. And then you drain the water, and I take some chow cheese, which is my favorite cheese, and I toss it on there, and then these are sweet potatoes that I toss on, and then I put on more cheese, and then I put on, what are those, black beans for protein, because we love that protein. And then you tuck it in, and you kiss it goodnight, and then you take it to the pan so then it can heat up with the warm positive thoughts that it's going to be thinking while it's toasting, and then you pat it for good luck, and then you kiss it again goodnight, and then you wake it up in the morning and you flip it over. And I don't have an estimated time, I just we'll say 2 to 5 minutes, and then it looks like a nice little Crunchwrap Supreme from Taco Bell. So yes, these are my babies. I love them. They taste really good. They're delicious. As you can tell, Juan and I couldn't help but eat a piece while the other one was cooking. So yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next Thursday. Bye!